If you need to change your PowerPoint view, you have different options. For example, you can go to View tab, and from Presentation Views, you can choose from different views here. If you are in normal view, another view is Outline. It's good to read the text in your PowerPoints if you need to check your text. You have a slide sorter if you need to sort your slides. For example, I want to easily sort my slides. You have a notes page. You can see the notes of each slide. You can see the notes. And you have a reading view. This is a reading view. You can change your views from a status bar here. Again, a slideshow, reading view, slide sorter, and other types you can change in your view. For example, we go back to normal view. You can also change the zoom of your screen, increase or decrease the zoom of your slide from a status or from a zoom panel in view. You can enable ruler, grid line, and guide from show. You can arrange your windows and you can choose fit to fit your slide to your panel. I will teach you a slide master in another video you can see in my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.